consider the question number 1 of practice set number 1.3. That question is fill in the blanks. So this is very easy and totally depends on the concept of determinant. So determinant of 3, 2, 4, 5 equals to, now here you need to find the value of that determinant, that is 3 multiplied by 5. So here you will write 5 minus 4 multiplied by these 2. So 2 multiplied by 4. So 5 3s are 15. That we will write here. And 2 4s are 8. 15 minus 8, that is equals to 7. So this is our question number 1. Now similarly, see the question number 2. Find the values of the following determinants. Now see the question number 1. That is equals to minus 1 multiplied by 4 minus 7 multiplied by 2, that is equals to minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. This minus sign, 7 2s are 14. So minus 4 minus 14 is equals to minus 18. So minus 18 is the value of this determinant. Similarly, second, 5 into 0 minus 3 into minus 7, that is equals to 5 into 0, 0 minus into this minus plus 3 into 7, that is equals to 21. So 0 plus 21 equals to 21. So 21 is the value of this second determinant. Now in this way, example number 3. Same method, cross multiplication first of these two elements. 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2. 7 1s are 7 upon 3 2s are 6 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 3 2s are 6. Now, because of same denominators, subtraction of its numerator, 7 minus 15 upon 6. So, 7 minus 15 equals to minus 8 upon 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So, our final answer is minus 4 upon 3. So this is the value of this determinant. Now see the question number 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Now this question you have to solve by using Cramer's rule. 3x minus 4y equals to 10. Let us consider as equation number 1. 4x plus 3y equals to 5u. This is equation number 2. Now compare these simultaneous equations, its standard form. So comparing these equations with a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus B2Y equals to C2. So this equation 1 compare with this one. So here A1 means 3. So A1 equals to 3. B1 equals to minus 4. And C1 constant first, that is equals to 10. C1 equals to 10. Similarly, equation number 2 compare with second general form. So A2 equals to 4. B2 equals to 3. And C2 equals to 5. So these are the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Now, let us find the values of D, Dx and dy by using our formula. So D equals to determinant of, in first column, coefficients of variable x, A1, A2. In second column, coefficients of variable y, B1, B2. That is equals to determinant of. Now put the values. A1 means 3. B1 means minus 4. A2 means 4. And B2 means 3. So here, as usual, our method by cross multiplication. 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 4 into 4. 3 3s are 9. So here is the 9. Minus into minus, that is equals to plus. And 4 4s are 16. So here is the 16. So 16 plus 9, that is equals to 25. So 25 is the value of D. Now dx equals to dx, column 1 for the variable x. So skip the value, coefficient of x. Instead of consider constants C1, C2. And second column for the coefficient of variable y, that is B1, B2. That is equals to determinant of, put the values, C1, C2, C1 10, B1 minus 4, C2 5 and B2 3. Same by cross multiplication, 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. 10 3s are 30. Again minus into minus, plus 4 into 5, that is equals to 20. So 30 plus 20 is to 50. So that 50 is the value of dx. Similarly, dy equals to determinant of first column is the coefficient of variable x. We will write as it is a1, a2. Second column is the coefficient of variable y. But here y is present. So that we will write here constants C1, C2. That is equals to, now put the values, A1, C1, 3, 10, A2, C2, 4 and 5. 3 multiplied by 5 minus 10 multiplied by 4, that is equals to 3 5s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. So 15 minus 40, that is equals to minus 25. So minus 25 is the value of dy. So therefore, by using Cramer's rule, x equals to dx upon d. So that is equals to, what is the value of dx? So the value of dx is 50. So 50 upon d. D means what? That is 25. So 25 ones are 25 twos are. So x equals to 2. X equals to 2. First value of variable x. Now y equals to dy upon d. What is the value of dy? Minus 25. So minus 25 upon d. D means 25. 25 ones are 25 ones are. This is equals to minus 1. So therefore y equals to minus 1. So therefore x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 1 is the solution of this given simultaneous equations. Now this example number 4 is similar to the example number 1. 6x minus 4y equals to minus 12, consider as equation 1. 8x minus 3y equals to minus 2, consider as equation number 2. Same steps we have to use, comparing these equations with a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. So here a1. Now compare this first equation with this one. So a1 equals to 6. b1 equals to minus 4 and c1 equals to minus 12. So similarly, equation 2 compare with second general form. So a2 equals to 8, b2 equals to minus 3 and c2 equals to minus 2. So considering first d equals to determinant of formula a1 b1 a2 b2. Now put the values. a1 b1 6 minus 4, a2 b2 8 minus 3. So same method by cross multiplication. 6 into minus 3 minus 4 into 8. Minus 4 into 8, that is equals to 6 into minus 3, that is minus 18. Minus into minus plus 4 8s are 32. So minus 18 plus 32, 40. Now dx equals to formula determinant of c1 b1 c2 b2. Put the values. c1 b1 minus 12 minus 4 minus 12 minus 4, c2 b2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3. Again cross multiplication. Minus 12 into minus 3, that is minus 12 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 2, that is equals to minus into minus plus. So 12 threes are 36. So plus 36. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus. Minus. 4 into 2. That is 8. So 36 minus 8 to 28. And last one, dy equals to determinant of formula a1 c1 a2 c2. So a1 c1 6 minus 12, a2 c2 8 minus 2. So here 8 minus 2. Now again the same method by cross multiplication. 6 into minus 2 minus 12 into 8 minus 12 into 8 it's 2. 6 into minus 2 that is equals to minus 12. Minus into minus plus 12 8s are 96. So minus 12 plus 96 is 284. So these are the values of d, dx and dy. So the next and important line, therefore by using Cramer's rule, x equals to dx upon d is our formula. So what is the value of dx? Dx means 28. So 28 upon d, the value of d is 14. So 14 ones are 14 twos are. So the value of x is equals to 2. So this is 2. Now second variable y equals to formula dy upon d, that is equals to the value of dy is 84 divided by d. D means what? Again 14. So 14 ones are 14 6 are. So that is equals to 6. So therefore y equals to 6. Last line of our answer, x equals to 2 and y equals to 6 is the solution of these given simultaneous equations. Now let us try the second example. 4x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0 and 6x equals to 8 minus 5y. Now let us try both the equation in a standard form by bringing this minus 4 to the right hand side. Therefore what we get, 4x minus 3y is equals to 4. This is our equation number 1. And minus 5y to the left hand side for this equation. Therefore 6x plus 5y is equals to 8. And this is our equation number 2. If we bring this minus 5y to the left hand side, it will becomes plus 5y and is equals to 8 as it is. Now we have to solve these two equations. So now comparing these equations with a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. So here compare equation 1 with this one. So a1 means 4, b1 means minus 3, and C1 is equals to 4. So these are the values of A1, B1 and C1. Similarly, from this find the values of A2, B2, C2. So for that, compare second equation with this one. So therefore, A2 equals to 6, B2 equals to 5, and C2 equals to 8. So these are the values of A2, B2 and C2. So now D equals to determinant of formula of D, A1, B1, A2, B2. Now in the formula of D, first column is the coefficient of variable x, that is A1, A2, and in second column coefficient of y, that is B1, B2. So that is equals to, now put the values, A1, B1, 4 minus 3, A2, B2, 6, 5. By cross multiplication, 4 into 5, minus sign, minus 3 into 6. That is equals to 4 5s are 20. So here we will write that 20. Minus into minus, so plus. 3 into 6 equals to 18. So 20 plus 18 equals to 38. So the value of D is 38. Now dx equals to determinant of first column for the coefficient of x. Due to this dx, skip it and consider the constants C1, C2. So C1, C2, and second column coefficients of variable y, keep as it is, B1, B2 is equals to, now put the values, C1, B1, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, C2, B2, 8, 5, 8, 5, that is equals to, again by cross multiplication, 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. 4 5s are 20. Minus into minus, so plus. 3 8s are 24. Plus 2. 20 plus 24, 44. So that 44 is the value of dx. Similarly, dy is equals to determinant of dy. First column is the coefficient of variable x. So as it is, a1, a2. Second column is the coefficient of variable y, but due to this dy, skip the coefficients of variable y and instead of that consider the constants c1 and c2 equals to determinant of a1 c1 4 4, a2 c2 6 8, 6 8. Go again by cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by 8 minus 4 multiplied by 6. So that is equals to 8 4s are 32 minus sign 6 4s are 24. So therefore 32 minus 24, 8. So that 8 is the value of dy. So these are the values of d, dx and dy. So now, by using Cramer's rule, what is that? X equals to dx upon d. So what is the value of dx? 44. So 44 upon d. D means what? 38. So now reduce it. Reduce by 2. 2 19s are 38 and 2 22s are 44. So the value of x is 22 upon 19. Similarly, y equals to dy upon d. That is equals to the value of dy is 8 upon the value of d is again 38. So reduce it. 2 4s are 8, 2 19s are 38. So that is equals to 4 upon 19. So therefore, solution is x comma y 22 upon 19 comma 4 upon 19. So this is the solution by Cramer's rule or determinant method for these simultaneous equations.